Hi, I'm Sean, Head of Developer Relations at Expanso, and in this video I'm going to show you the latest and greatest in Expanso Cloud, a managed orchestrator for your distributed Bacalhau networks. Now I'm a big believer in showing, not telling, so don't listen to me, let's just go look at it. And here it is, the Expanso Cloud dashboard. Here we can create and manage Bacalhau networks which have an orchestrator at their heart, managed by the platform so that you don't have to worry about it. Let's create a network now. We can go to the Networks tab, or we can click Create Network. We need to give our network a name, so we'll call it the Expanso Cloud Demo, because that's what we're here to do. And this will use the latest version of Bacalhau, version 1.6.0, to create a managed orchestrator, which will sit at the heart of any network you choose to create, which can connect your compute nodes wherever they are on any kind of infrastructure. We click the Create Network button, and that's going to spin it up for us and give us updates on when our nodes are available. And once that's spun up, I have a fully managed Bacalhau orchestrator. Time to connect some compute nodes. Very simple stuff. I can go to plus node, connect self-hosted node, and all I need to do is download this config.yaml file. This is all the credentials and configuration I need to connect any compute node to this managed orchestrator. Once I've used that config file to configure Bacalhau to connect to my managed orchestrator inside of Expanso Cloud, I can then inspect those nodes and see what kind of systems I'm working with and what kind of labels and memory usage and CPU they have. And all we can do with that is go over to nodes, and we can see I've connected 3 nodes, each with different configurations and capabilities that I can now distribute jobs to. So let's distribute a job. I'll very quickly need to configure my local CLI to connect to my orchestrator, which I can do in the overview dashboard. All I have to do is copy these credentials, and I can head over to terminal, and I can export those variables like that. That configures my Bacalhau CLI to connect to my managed orchestrator inside the cloud, and it tells Bacalhau to use TLS so that all of our communication with our orchestrator and our CLI is encrypted. Then it's just a matter of having Bacalhau send my job to all of my compute nodes. And we can run that job with the CLI now that's properly configured. And we can do it with Bacalhau, job, run, and I have a job.yaml file here which describes the job I want to run. It's just going to be a hello world. So I can pass that file through, and I can see that job get sent off to every compute node connected to my orchestrator in the network. Now that our job's run, we can take a look at the results with the CLI. But we want to get the status of those jobs in the Expanso Cloud dashboard, we can do that too. So let's take a look at that. All we have to do is go to jobs, check out the most recent execution and its name, and we can see that all those jobs and all those nodes completed successfully. We can see what the job IDs were, when they were created and modified, the runtime, the engine, the type of job it was. We can see the individual executions too. And that's it. That's Expanso Cloud, a managed orchestrator for your Bacalhau networks.